Hello, let's review Lenovo Flex 15 IdeaPad with the best price in the market with the available specification 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, 2-in-1 touchscreen, 2 GB NVIDIA and Windows 10 Home for just 70,000, that is $999. So this is the inbox content of the Lenovo Flex 15 which I purchased in costco.com. So as you see, this is the three items that I received in the box, and we have active stylus as well. Okay, let's open it later. Okay, so let's open the cover. And it's quite heavy, it's 4 lb weight. And let me show you the right hand side. It has a SD card reader, a USB port and type C, and the tin is like this. And in the right hand side you have a charger, and you have another USB, and in the back those are the two speakers. I don't know why they kept the speakers in the back. In HP Spectre the speakers are in the front. Maybe they kept it so that it won't disturb when you use it as a tablet. Okay, this is the view. As you see, Lenovo Flex 5, and it is quite heavy and difficult to slide it. And you see there is a charging port, HDMI, USB port and type C, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. And in the right hand side it's power. So the charger looks like this, and usually the other chargers where there will be a socket to the connector, and that connector is going to the power, but here it is attached, so you have to hang this charger in the socket. And this is the pen that we received. Let me open it. So it has a AAA battery. Let it be there. And this is a kind of a stylus holder with a USB input, so you can actually plug in the laptop while you use it as a laptop or a tablet. So you can modify the uh, the direction of the stylus. And this is the stylus. It looks nice. It says Lenovo. And when I open it, it contains the voltage information and the stylus indication, and this is where you have to keep the battery. Let me show you how to hold the stylus in the holder. So if you are using it as a tablet, you can hold it like this, and if you are using as a laptop, you can keep it like this, so it's standing. You don't need to plug it there as well. So let me power on the laptop. It says the Lenovo. I already logged in and set the username and password, so just let me log in and show you the screen. Okay, this is how the display is. It's a 4K display, so it looks really nice. It is not the usual 1092 display range. It's a 4K display. You can actually see the difference. And the interface level is really good, and the response for each click is very nice with this laptop. So let me open a paint and let me check the stylus. Let me write something. Lenovo Flex 360 50. It's not bad. The stylus is really nice. It would be helpful if you are using it for any art purpose, or you are using it for any AutoCAD or anything related to the art that you require. It's nice. You see, the stylus works really good. And let me try to scribble something like www.google.com and check if it is recognizing it. Yes, it is. So that's it. So this is the 4K video playing in the Flex 15. It's really nice and clear and crispy. The sound quality is good and the 4K display is very nice. Overall, for a large screen 2-in-1 laptop, I would say this is the best one at this price, because in India, if you buy this model, it is coming around 1,20,000 for a 256 GB SSD itself. So please comment if you have any other options, and thank you for watching. And there were some photos that I have taken with this laptop. You can watch it. Thank you.